Why is Telegram not sending you the code? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can fix Telegram not sending you the confirmation code. Now if you're trying to log into your account using your phone number and it's not sending you the confirmation code, then you want to first check that your account is not associated to any other account. If it is, then you might not get the option to sign in or create new account. However, if your account is already created and you're just trying to log in, or you're trying to sign in using the new number and you're still not getting the code, then it might be the server issue. You might want to wait for a couple of hours before trying in back again. If this doesn't help, then what you want to do is what you need to remember is, if your account is logged in on your browser or any other devices on the browser or application, then the confirmation code will be sent to your account instead of the SMS. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your account is not logged in on other devices. If it is logged in, you want to open up that device and open up Telegram there, and if you open up the Telegram chats, you'll get a login code from the Telegram account that you can see on the screen, the Telegram verified Telegram account here, and you'll get the confirmation code here if you try to log in, if your account is already logged in on browser or any other applications. So this way you can fix Telegram not sending code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.